The Food and Drug Administration has approved the first ever over-the-counter birth control pill.
Now, this means that Americans will be able to purchase a daily oral contraceptive without a prescription. Perrigo, the manufacturer of Opill's non-prescription product, says it will be available across the U.S. early next year. Officials have not yet provided a price for the availability of Opill's non-prescription product. Democratic Congresswoman Catherine Clark told our colleague Nicole Killian that the FDA's approval is, quote, great and welcome news.
Joining us now to discuss this is Dr. Shoshana Ungerleider. She's an internal medicine physician. She's also the host of the podcast, TED Health. Thanks for being with us, Doctor. Obviously, this is monumental. We don't know how much it will cost. That's a major lingering question, but it's been available by prescription for the past 5 decades. So just speak to us about the seismic impact of this single decision.
Well, Errol, this is a huge win for public health nationwide. You know, the ability to access safe contraception without a prescription will significantly impact the lives of women, particularly teenagers and people who don't regularly see a doctor. And then it also promotes responsible family planning early on. So why is that important? Well, we know about half of all pregnancies in this country are unplanned. And this is especially crucial with the new abortion restrictions post-Roe. Don't forget, nearly a quarter of women of reproductive age live in states where abortion is banned or mostly banned. And Opill gives women control over their own health and will, I think, lower the number of unintended pregnancies. And I think this has arrived at a truly crucial moment for our country.
Doctor, Opill is made up of progestin only. Birth control pill, which I understand is not like the birth control pills that are largely prescribed today. Can you explain to us how it's different, any health risks? I know that in the past when this debate had come up, there were some advocates for women's health who felt like having a requirement to go to the doctor was important for a whole host of reasons. But I think we just need some more information on this.
Well, and I think it's important to talk about how this medication works and how it's different than the more often used combination birth control pills, which actually can contain synthetic estrogen and progestin. And actually, those have more side effects and potential risks associated with them. So Opill is a synthetic form of the hormone progesterone. It works by thickening mucus around the cervix to keep sperm out, and it suppresses ovulation. This pill is actually identical to the prescription version, which has been approved and used since the 1970s and is 93% effective at preventing pregnancy with proper use. And it's been proven to be very, very safe. And like other forms of birth control pills, this one is taken daily at the same time every day. And if you don't take it within a 3-hour window, it's important to use a backup method of contraception like a condom for the next 2 days. So not unlike other forms of oral contraception.
It's really fascinating. I know you said this, opens the doors for women taking control of family planning. On our editorial morning call, the point was made that it's important for men as well, because this is now something that can be purchased and can be part of a discussion in relationships. Could this be the beginning of a new area of the healthcare industry focused on making over-the-counter contraceptives like this one more available?
Well, I sure hope so. You know, this approval allows for more people, women and men, as you said, to have the opportunity to control their future. And as you brought up, some questions still remain that are critical, like how much it's going to cost and whether insurance will cover it like they do for prescription birth control. So I think we'll have to wait and see. But what we do know is that approving Opill upholds reproductive rights and health equity for women. And this is social and public health progress that really moves our country in the right direction at a pivotal time.
Great to have you on this major development, Dr. Shoshana Ungerleider. We appreciate your time.